as you saw, the start to my morning was a foggy one, and we're gonna do a few things today. So it should be a fun day. Go for a walk. There's a nice place I want to take you for this walk. And first we're gonna go and see this really nice view just out in the country that I always see when I'm going for a drive sometimes. So I'm gonna share that with you guys today. And then we'll go from there. So let's go. So I just pulled over on our little drive so far because I saw these guys and I wanted to come over and see them. Hi! Hello! Hi there! Aren't they beautiful? Aww. There's a lot of horses here. Here come some other ones over here. Enjoy looking at them. Sometimes I'm driving by and I notice them, so I wanted to stop today and say hello. There they are. They come. Two of them. So pretty. I think this place has they breed race horses. I think that's what this place is. So beautiful though. Alright, let's go see if we can get a little closer. I don't want them to come too close to the fence. You can see that says, "Hi there. Hello. You're so beautiful." Let's see if I can see them. There they are. Hi guys. Hi. Alright. I'll just stop there to see them. Oh, there's more coming. Must have just came out of the barn. That's what I'm thinking. Hi. Hello. All right. We'll see you later. Bye. So that's what we're gonna do next, okay? flowers here. It's really unique. I think this guy. It's kind of neat. Is that him? Big ones. I like this guy right here. Look at him, he has a really nice stem. Let's get him. There, 3, maybe one more. See, they have these little guys over here. They even have really nice flowers, potted flowers. For $2. Maybe we'll pick a few of these. They're kind of neat looking. I like this one. It's kind of neat. This guy kind of looks like a watermelon pumpkin. That one. And one more. How about this one? He's kind of neat looking too. There we go. That's a good selection. There. Alright, well that's it for the shopping. Okay, so I just noticed this little roadside stand here. So I'm gonna buy some flowers. Sunflowers, 5. Dahlias. Harvest. Tomatoes, $2. These are really pretty, I like them. Cabbages. Look at this view here. All their beautiful flowers. It's just beautiful. All the dahlias are growing. Coming up to our next destination, which is Happy Ross Animal Farm. Here we are, and we'll go see some nice animals. Some Halloween decor up already. No dogs allowed, sorry. Animals don't like them. Mini Manor, Whispering Hearts Horse Rescue. It tells you the animal's name. It's her whole life. Oh, so this llama here has lived with the horses her whole life with the little mini ponies. That's so cute. having their breakfast. Come across on this side here and see, oh, there's a big piggy here. Pig pen. So it tells you this is from Gray's Haven Animal Sanctuary. His name's Milton. Aw, it says he's 100% deaf, sits for food, and tucks himself in with his blankets. Aw, it's so sweet. He's so cute. Let's see if we can get a close-up of him. Oh, he knows that the worker's there. Probably thinks he's gonna get some food. Aww. Look at him wagging his tail too. He's so adorable. Just getting everything cleaned up for the animals. He's talking to them. Have it all festive and whatnot for Halloween and fall. Okay. Donkey Dorm in Llamaland. Miniature donkeys. And their names are Tater Tot and Callie, and the llamas are Trixie and Trudy. And Tina and Tootsie. So where are they? Oh, over there, okay. I see the llamas. Saw them already. Okay. It's nice how they have all this antique farm equipment on display. It's really nice. It's nicely decorated here. I really like it so far. I haven't been here in a really long time. I've been here before. Aw, he's playing with the bucket. Or maybe he just wants food. For? Are you making a tunnel? Get a good focus on him. There he is. That's better. Got Rooster Ranch here. The creepy arm hanging out here. This is the chicken area where they have George the rooster and Mabel, Ruth, and Olga, which are the chickens. Let's go see these guys. Oh, they're so cute. Hi. Hello. You're so pretty. Big. Hi. George. Getting sleepy. They look all cozy together. It's their little house right there. What's nice about this place is that all these animals come from farms, but they just come here for the summer and then they go back to their farms when it gets colder. So it's nice that people can come here and check out different animals. It's really nice. Sometimes you can see turtles here hanging around the pond. Hopefully we'll see some. I'll keep my eye open for them. This nice tree, getting some nice color on it. I don't know if that's a chestnut tree or walnut tree. It looks like chestnut maybe. The leaves are casually falling. Looks so pretty. I'll have to take a drive very soon to see the fall colors. I think it's coming to that time. Maybe on the weekend I'll do that and I'll get a nice video of that. And we'll do a walk too for that. Nice nature walk or something like that to see all the trees. Look at this sign here. See that? Duck Poop Island. Yeah, that's about it. That's what they do. A lot of. Oh, hello. Are you coming to say hi to me? Hello. Hi. I don't have anything for you. I'm sorry. We're not allowed to feed you right now. No. Sorry. Next time. I saw you. You can't hide from me. He's got a big nut in his mouth. I don't know where he went. He's so fast. Oh, there he goes. Different signs they have posted about the bees. How they're so important. Difference between bees and wasps. And that's a good notice right there. Don't feed bread. Did you see that? I have my coffee. Don't feed bread to the animals. It's not good for them. Troll Bridge. Oh, look at this sign. It's so cute. Tells you different things that they have here at this animal farm. So you can go right and go to the memorial for 9/11, duck pond, forest, factory, the lookout. Is this the lookout? I'm guessing this is the lookout. So there's a really beautiful view here of Lake Ontario. Look at this gorgeous willow tree right here. Would that not make a really nice picture? someone get their photo taken here, family photo. That'd be really nice. It's a cool looking tree. Look at all the knots in it. Nice view on the lake today. Calmer water. Looks nice. Little overcast, but really nice. Nice day. I just noticed this as I was coming up to the bridge, which you might not notice if you're not looking. There's a little troll up there. Alright, well, let's just go see what's this way, a little bit of the ways, and then we'll head back through the nature trail and make our way back. I don't know if what's out here. Houses back here. I didn't know that. That would make sense why the bee sanctuary. No entry. Let's see if I can get a close up on that. There it is. There's one. And then there's another one right there. I wonder if there's more further down the way. Is this one too over here? Looks like it could be. Well, it's a nice peaceful area for them. No one's going to disturb them there. Just go and see this little opening over here and get another view of the lake. We'll turn around. So there's another view for you here. And there's a marina way over there. That would be a nice place to launch your boat. Alright guys, let's head back. So now we're on the 9/11 Memorial Trail, and they have trees all along the path, and then they have a person's name who died on 9/11, and it tells you what happened to them, how they were involved. So it's really nice that they did that here. There's another person here, and it tells you David Barkway, he's 34. He's born in Ottawa, Ontario, and he was visiting clients on the 105th floor of the North Tower. So all these people here are Canadian that lost their lives on 9/11. says here, the site is dedicated to the 27 Canadians, including those with strong ties to Canada, who lost their lives in the tragic events of September 11th, 2001. Now we're just going to make our way back here. There's different pathways you can follow here, which is really nice, through the nice forest. I think we'll go this way. We'll go left. Right or left? This one's greener. That one's muddier. Let's go this way. It's very quiet in here and peaceful, quite enjoyable. So I think that's going to come to the end of our walk today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you decide to subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.